Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how you can easily change your name in the Botim app. If you have ever wanted to update your display name to something more personal or professional, this video will guide you through the process in a clear and simple way. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Then, tap on the edit icon, which is also located at the top right corner. Then you will see a field labeled Name. Tap on this field and enter your new name exactly as you want it to appear. Finally, once you are satisfied with your new name, tap on the Save button to apply the changes. Your new name will now be visible to everyone on your contact list, and you can continue using the app as usual with your updated profile. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and sharing it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips.